up guys, welcome back to the channel for another video. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to review a product for you guys, and I also have a discount code for you guys as well. Alright guys, let's get into it. Alright guys, what we have today is the VANTRUE Dashcam. This one is the N4, which means you have front, the cabin, and the rear as well. And this one right here is the front camera, and this is how it looks like. And that's the N4, and this one is the rear camera. Now this one can record from 1080p to 4K, and this one right here is the GPS that will record like the miles per hour and all that good stuff. And this is the SD card. Now it's better to get the 256 gigabyte. I think it's the best one. And this one right here is the hard wire kit. Now I love to hard wire my Dashcam because it'll be able to record at all time. Now if you don't want to do all that, this is the wire that the Dashcam comes with. You can just plug this inside your car and call it a day. And that one right here, this one I'm not going to use. This is the suction cup that you have to use for the camera, but since I have the GPS, which is a suction cup as well, I'm just gonna use this instead. And this is pretty much it. Now, as you guys know, I have one, and the GX460 is the N2S, and that one is just the front and the cabin. The main reason I did this is because and the GX is kind of hard to like run the wire for the years, so that's why I skipped it. But for the IS I can. It's clear. So you got front, you got the cabin. This is the camera for the cabin, and this one is the rear, and that's the wire to run it. And you're gonna plug it like focus, like right there. So I'm not going to do a full review on how to install this on the IS350 because I already have a video on that, and it's literally the same process, just different Dashcam. So I will show it to you guys, but not like go through like how to do it, because it's pretty much the same process as I did in the IS before and the GX460. Now, like I said before, I have a discount code for you guys and the link as well. So all you guys have to do is enter Wadson 10, then you get 10% off in your entire purchase. Now they have a lot of other dash cams that you can get, like this one is the N4, and there's a N2S, there's an N2 Pro. Like there's a lot of them that you can get. It depends on how much you want to spend. So like I said, I will show you guys a clip on how I installed in the car, and then at the end I'll show you guys some footage and both the IS and the GX4 60. And this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you want to support the channel, catch you some dash cam. And it's not about just that, it's about dash cam is good for, it's good to have one in your car, because you just never know, and you have a footage that has proved that maybe it was an accident or something happened and it wasn't your fault. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy. Have a good day, good night, and I will see you guys on the next one.